All right, St. Joe Lighthouse, that's where I'm heading. And storm's coming over the lake, over the west side. I haven't gone up here and taken photos of a storm in a long time. I was hoping for bigger waves. Really wasn't huge waves, but plenty of seagulls, storms, and surfers, which them surfer kids, you guys need to adopt me and teach me how to surf, even though I haven't swam since I was like 5 because I have no reason to go in the water. But I can one wheel, so that makes me think I can maybe surf. So please adopt me. Enjoy. Peace.